Hi everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Joy and today I will be guiding you through a 15-minute yoga session to open the heart chakra. We're going to be releasing pressure from the chest area and relieving stress today. So take a deep breath, get on your mats, set some good intentions for yoga practice ahead, and follow my lead. I'm just going to start off with some breath work. We're going to inhale through our abdomen and exhale, contracting our abdomen. We'll now focus on what we would like to happen during our yoga session, things we would like to let go of, new habits we would like to carry out in our day or in our activities. Just set them with a silent prayer before we get started. Alright, we are ready. We're going to begin in tabletop position for a cat and cow. Inhale as we straighten the back, and exhale as we curl that spine. Slow and controlled movements. Now we're going to transition with downward dog. We're just going to get some movement in pedaling our feet. Left leg and then the right leg. Keeping that breath steady. And then holding a strong downward dog. We're going to move into child's pose. Here you want to focus on just releasing, and then we will move into an upward facing dog. Inhaling that good energy, that peaceful energy, that sunlight we would need to inhibit throughout our week. And then in child's pose, focus on letting go of anxiety, letting go of pressure, releasing that tension or stress. Inhale in up dog. Exhale and release in child's pose. Imagine breathing in that sunlight, that bright joy into our body. And exhale and release in child's pose. We're going to transition into a downward dog. Going to pedal out the feet. And now we're going to move and sit in a kneeling position to transition into a camel's pose. Gonna twist it a little bit here. Roll your shoulders back. We're gonna take and lift that left arm and reach for our heel, and then we're going to extend our right arm to open our chest. We're still breathing in this position. Do not hold breath. When you come up to the top, we're going to take an inhale and an exhale, and we're going to do our opposite arm now. Reach that right arm all the way to touch the heel, and then extend that left arm above you and out, opening that chest, opening that heart, and come back up to the top. And we're gonna do it another time. The left arm reaching all the way back to our left heel, and then extending that right arm, reaching back and opening our chest, still breathing, inhaling and exhaling. Find your balance and breathe in and exhale at the top. Now fully stretch back that right arm, extend that left arm, and open up that chest. Release and exhale. Very good. Now we're going to come down, back seated on our feet, coming into a wide-legged child pose. We're going to do a shoulder stretch. So having both arms fully extended, we're going to take our left arm and tuck it under our right arm, and we're going to turn our ear on the mat to where our ears touching the mat, and there we'll find that shoulder that we're applying pressure. We're relieving the pressure on our shoulder by focusing our energy on that part of the body. We're going to do the opposite side. This part of the body is where most of our stress is held, so creating pressure or focusing on the shoulders to put some pressure to stretch them out, releasing unwanted weight and stress is so healthy. So this move is more important than what some may think. All right, we're going to move into a seated twist. So we're going to come up slowly. Get ourselves into a seated position. One leg fully extended, the other leg bent. We're going to cross that bent leg over our straight leg. And then we're going to take our opposite arm and we're just going to twist our bodies to one side. You'll feel the release on your lat, and you feel the release on your chest and on your lower back as you look up and inhale and exhale. And every time you exhale, I want you to stretch a little bit further. And we'll repeat this stretch on the opposite leg. Bring that arm over the knee and twist back. Doing your best to breathe in this position, feeling and focusing on that release from your chest to your lat and your lower back, and stretching a little bit more with each exhale. Very good. Now we're going to lay completely on our backs in Shavasana, just extending our arms beside us. We're going to move into a half bridge pose. So bring both knees into 90 degrees. And from your heels, I want you to lift up your lower body. Bring your arms behind you and fold your palms together. You can do this and just lift up, or you can just bring your palms and take a hold of your ankles as I am. Really get as much of a stretch. Make sure you can bring yourself as high as you can off of your mat. And inhale and exhale. From here, we're going to take our knee, one knee, we're going to cross over to the opposite side. And we're going to extend our left arm to the left of us and turn our head towards the left to fully stretch out our left side. Then we're going to bend our right knee, bring it over our left leg, and fully extend our right arm to the right side and have our head turns toward the right to fully stretch out that right side of our body. And breathe as you're in this position. Very good. We're going to come up slowly from our right side just to relieve any pressure on and off of our hearts. So coming from the right side takes pressure off your heart. We're going to do some seated position stretches. We're going to take our left forearm and place it on the mat, and then reach our right arms over us, stretching all the way over to the left side. And then we're going to do the stretch on the opposite side. We're going to bring our right forearm on the mat. We're going to reach over us and bring our left arm over our head, and we're going to come back to the seated position. We're going to bring our palms touching, bring them to the center of your chest, interfold your fingers, and extend your palms outward. Bring your palms and your arms above your head. Inhale, bring your arms down and exhale. And repeat this movement. Exhale, arms above you. Inhale, rain your arms down. Exhale. Inhale, bring your palms together. Extend your arms. Exhale. Inhale, bring your palms above you. Exhale, rain your palms down. We're going to come into a seated position. Slowly move forward into downward dog. We'll hold a strong downward dog here. Slowly walk your toes towards your palms. Come up, slow and controlled, and we're going to move into a dancer's pose. We'll take our left leg, grab a hold of our ankle with our left arm, and we're going to extend our bodies forward as much as possible. We're going to do our best. You don't have to bring your knee up extremely high for this. You just want to focus on balance and breath. Have a slight bend in that leg that you're using to be stable and come back down. And we're going to rotate this now to the opposite side. Bend that right leg, grab a hold of your right ankle, and extend your left arm forward, inhaling and exhaling. Very well, very well. Roll your shoulders back. We're going to come down on our mats in a kneeling position and to transition into a seated position or a cross-leg position. I would like you to place your palms upward on your knees. I'm going to do a short meditation here for gratitude. I'm going to inhale. I want you to visualize white light coming through the crown chakra, flowing through your heart chakra, and exhale, releasing this white light through your heart chakra. And as you inhale, I want you to visualize this white light coming through your body, removing any anxiety, any stress, release. Take your left palm, put it over your heart, and your right palm, put it over your heart. Feel the warmth of your palms. Say, I am grateful. I appreciate all that I have. have the solutions to anything that comes my way. I am open to new ideas. Imagine any situation you would like to, that you would want to change. Imagine that melting away in the white light. Visualize the white light engulfing your heart and your palms, saying thank you, and visualize that problem or stress dissolving. Visualize your solution and what you would like to bring to pass, how you would like to feel every day, and bless someone with the same energy and light and love. Peace, love. Have a beautiful day ahead of you. Thank you for watching. Namaste. See you next time.